Hi guys, welcome to our channel Planet Earth. Thank you for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and ring the bell. Today, we're discussing about what sort of professions we can have if we're pursuing earth science. Geologist. Geologists study the nature, composition, and structure of earth to locate materials and minerals and to increase scientific knowledge. A geologist is a scientist who studies the solid, liquid, and gaseous matter that constitutes the Earth and other terrestrial planets as well. Seismologist. Seismologists are scientists who study earthquakes and other planetary activities such as tsunamis. They use instruments to gather data and monitor the Earth's crust. Earth's crust is basically the outer surface of Earth. They also usually work in offices or laboratories, but may have to travel to sites of seismic activity to understand what's going on. Mineralogist is a person who studies minerals, which technically includes all naturally occurring solid substances. In turn, precious metals like gold, silver, copper, aluminum, iron, and other substances like natural gas and oils, and materials like gypsum, clay, plastic, so they can build different stuffs. Paleontologist. A paleontologist is a scientist who studies the fossilized remains of all kinds of organisms, single-celled bacteria, fungi, plants, everything, and is interested in knowing the history of organic life on Earth, which means they also study about how life on Earth began. Volcanologist. A volcanologist is a geologist or a scientist who studies the process involved in the formation of volcano, how a volcano was formed and when it is going to erupt and how big an eruption could be. They also study the historic eruption patterns to understand what is happening in the current active or deactive volcanoes. Marine geologist. Marine geologist is also a type of oceanography which comes under earth science. It's a study and structure of ocean floor, what's happening inside the ocean, the geological, geochemical, geophysical events that's happening under the ocean. Astronomers. Now, astronomer, space scientist, astronauts, meteorologist, astrophysicist, for all these subjects, earth science forms a basic knowledge. It forms as a foundation for them to pursue the other subjects. Now, let's see some of the famous geologists and what they invented or what they discovered to become famous. Charles Darwin. If you have ever heard of the theory of evolution, you know who Charles Darwin is. If you don't, I suggest you check him out. William Buckland. If you're a fan of dinosaurs, you have to thank him because he's one of the early scientists who studied the fossils and they developed the theory of dinosaurs. Tanya Atwater. She's one of the early scientists to have developed the concept and theory of plate tectonics. We will study and learn more about plate tectonics and other stuffs in our forthcoming videos. Now, to become like them, what do we need? We need an interest in earth science, that's basic of course, and we have to read a lot and lot of books on the subject, which will increase our knowledge base. which will also help us to do lots of researches. We encourage you to do small researches either by yourself or you can take a friend along with you. You ask lots and lots of questions and keep finding the answers. If you find a question where no one could answer, that becomes your quest, where you can do your own research on that question. And when you find the answer, you will end up discovering new knowledge. Now, on the relative subject, many of us got inspired by many different Hollywood movies to pursue earth science or to become a geologist. We might have dreamed, even till now, people dream about to become a geologist, an archaeologist, or a space scientist. So, movies like Jurassic Park, Day After Tomorrow, 2012 in Volcano. If if you are one of them, please do write a comment about what sort of movies inspired you or what books inspired you to become one of them. And for more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.